दो चीज़ें हैं, पहला वो जो इस फिल्म का सब्जेक्ट मटेरियल है और दूसरा वो जिससे इस फिल्म ने अपना नाम लिया है। द सोर्स मटेरियल इज द डिवोशन ऑफ सस्पेक्ट एक्स एंड द फिल्म नेम इज जाने जान। The book in itself is so widely popular that I was kind of skeptical कि जो इसका adaptation है वो कितना अच्छा बनेगा। Hi, I'm Pratiksha Mishra and you're listening to my review of जाने जान। जाने जान is directed by Sujoy Ghosh and till date I think the favorite thing that he has made is कहानी only। कहानी इतनी अच्छी फिल्म है कि बाकी सब उससे थोड़ा थोड़ा compare हो जाता है। I will try very hard not to do that with this film। जाने जा is the adaptation of the book that I talked about, बहुत ही highly awarded, it's a great thriller and people all across the world love it so much and ये जो movie है is a much more faithful adaptation of it than Drishyam which also follows a kind of a similar plot points, जो एक basic thing है कि एक cop है and also the suspect are both reconstructing a crime अपनी अपनी तरीके से, so you never actually know कि what is real, what is the truth and what has just completely been fabricated, and this is a very interesting premise for a thriller। तो जाने जान का premise also is pretty nice। Main हमारा जो character that we get introduced to is a man who everyone affectionately calls teacher, played by Jaideep Ahlawat, और ये maths के teacher हैं। That's a very interesting kind of thing to add because math is at all times about logic, it's about say okay 2 + 2 is 4 and there's no other possible way to go about it। ऐसा आदमी जब एक ऐसे morally ambiguous kind of situation में फंस जाता है, how does he react to this? The film does sort of explore that, but ये जो एक exposition of saying like, oh look, he loves math, this is how much he loves math, this is how much he loves kind of just the idea of math, उसमें ये जो main nuance है of how he's dealing with the situation gets a little lost। His neighbor is a single mother, Maya D'Souza, played by Kareena Kapoor Khan, who lives in this area, Kalimpong, with her daughter Tara। इनका जो एक perfect family life है is constantly interrupted। The main interruption is when her abusive husband enters the fray and we realize कि अब बहुत कुछ गलत होने वाला है। That's the point of the film, वो तो ट्रेलर से पता चल गया। ये सब गलत के बीच में जो हमारे दो कैरेक्टर्स हैं वो उनके एक्शंस क्या होने वाले हैं, what are their motivations going to be, that's what जाने जा essentially deals with। Jaideep Ahlawat's character is at a lot of points giving kind of Shah Rukh Khan from Dar। He is essentially enamored by Maya और even his character is a bit of a recluse, वो अपने आप में ही रहते हैं, ज़्यादा किसी से बात नहीं करते। I think the closest he is to this one student in his school and they play a game every now and then। Other than that उनके character में हमें ज़्यादा कुछ मिलता नहीं because he doesn't talk a lot also। So the great part about this is that Jaideep Ahlawat has done a phenomenal job। इतना अच्छा acting है इसमें कि even when he's not saying anything, something as simple as how he looks at something or a crease in his eyebrows is giving away so much information। I don't think anybody could have played this role the way Jaideep Ahlawat has, and that is one of the best things about Jaane Jaan is its casting। Vijay Varma is also in this film as Karan, a cop who essentially comes to Kalimpong to find someone and also gets embroiled in this whole mystery surrounding these two people। विजय वर्मा के कैरेक्टर में ज़्यादा लेयर्स नहीं है, सो यू डोंट गेट अ लॉट टू सी इन दिस, बट ही इज डन अ प्रीटी कमेंडेबल जॉब विद व्हाट ही हैज बीन गिवन। मेन रोल है इन दोनों का, माया का और टीचर का। देयर इंटरैक्शंस आर वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग क्योंकि इस मिस्ट्री में Maya's relationship with the men around her plays a very big role। Something that seems like, I don't know, a romantic date from outside could be an interrogation, could be something much more sinister। Sujoy Ghosh very well explores just the idea of the character of Maya। At no point are we kind of forced to believe that, oh, she is just a very helpless victim। Incredibly strong। Her circumstances kind of are critiquing the way like exploitation happens of young women, how just desire as an act is sometimes very sinister। Doesn't just always have to be अच्छा पेड़ के आसपास गाना गाना है and you're having a wonderful time happily ever after, doesn't always have to be that। And that's a great thing that Sujoy Ghosh has done in his films a lot, where he understands the female characters that he's portraying, happens very well here also। And Kareena Kapoor Khan, kudos, what a brilliant performance। It's the performance of Kareena Kapoor in Talash or films like Heroine or Chameli for that matter। इतना amazing restraint है, and also the fact that she brings this allure to the screen that a lot of the motivations of everyone around her makes sense। It kind of clues in the fact that these two people are charmed by this person makes absolute sense because of the way she's carrying herself in the film। And the fact that she's playing a single mother who would do anything to protect her daughter, ये तो हमारे फिल्मों में बहुत होता है, this person going against everything अपने family को बचाने के लिए। it's almost impossible to look away from. There is this sequence where the Jaane Jaan ka title track is being sung by Maya, and I very much appreciate how we get to see that this is a very sensual song. The original one is a very sensual song, and we see how that agency of sensuality, of kind of making that choice कि अच्छा मुझे ये गाना ऐसे गाना है या ऐसे perform करना है, is just very very well written. राइटिंग की अगर बात करें, सो दैट्स अबाउट इट. द स्क्रीन प्ले इज़ वेरी स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड इन प्लेसेस. इट्स मतलब वही बात है कि अ कॉप इज ट्राइंग टू फाइंड समवन एंड द पीपल हु आर हिज सस्पेक्ट्स आर ट्राइंग टू एसेंशियली move him away from the suspect, blah blah blah. Same thing that happens in a lot of thrillers. The good thing about this film, however, is that Sujoy Ghosh creates an atmosphere where you're very much invested in it. After the film is over, you might be left wondering कि अच्छा it could have been better, but while you're watching, very very fun. फिल्म का क्लाइमैक्स कुड हैव बीन अ लॉट मोर बेटर आई थिंक, क्योंकि अगर राइटिंग पे थोड़ा और ज़्यादा ध्यान देते, they would have used a lot more show don't tell, because the film kind of spoils itself towards the end. अगर आपने बुक ना पढ़ी हो, अगर आपने उनके मल्टीपल अडेप्टेशंस भी ना देखे हो, इफ यू जस्ट पे अ लिटिल अटेंशन, व्हिच अ लॉट ऑफ थ्रिलर फैंस डू, आपको पता चल जाएगा कि एंडिंग में मोटिवेशंस क्या है, क्या होने वाला है, एंड दैट्स नॉट अ ग्रेट लुक फॉर एनी थ्रिलर. Sujoy has constructed Kalimpong as this place that is beautiful, and it is, but also आपको हर टाइम पे ऐसा लगता है कि in these kind of nooks and crannies of this town there are secrets hiding, and that is one of my favorite tropes in thrillers. जैसा कि रवीना टंडन के आरण्यक में भी था कि there is a small kind of town where everyone's hiding secrets. I really enjoy that kind of setting, which I think worked a lot for me in Jaane Jaan. Also, kudos to editor Urvashi Saxena, who has used some very neat little tricks to kind of elevate the storyline when it feels a little slow. And that is perhaps my main complaint with Jaane Jaan, is its pacing. बहुत ही like the film seems longer than it is. वो already 2 घंटे से थोड़े ऊपर की है, and it seems even longer because the pacing is a little slow. It's a little off. अगर pacing थोड़ा और tight होता, and also screenplay अगर थोड़ा और tight होता, तो this would have been a much better viewing experience. There is also the fact of lighting. So many scenes seem so dark. They seem so dark. मतलब फिल्म सिर्फ अंधेरे में इंसान रात को अकेले तो नहीं देखता है ना. द फिल्म हैज़ टू बी लिट बेटर फॉर अस टू, आई डोंट नो, maybe watch it on our way to office, or I'll just watch it in the morning when we can see sunlight. And that's a huge thing, because Kalimpong ऐसा एक setting भी है where there's just so much potential for production just to create visually stunning frames. और जब फ्रेम में लाइटिंग ही नहीं होता, then you kind of lose all that potential. At the end of the day, Jaane Jaan is no Drishyam. It is not the best thriller I've seen. It's not even a kahani, but there is something just about the allure of the film that made me keep watching. So I would definitely say that you should perhaps give this film a shot. And that is why my rating for Jaane Jaan by Sujoy Ghosh is 3 stars out of 5.